I just put the baby down for a nap. Is she actually gonna nap? I don't know, but she needs to. She's currently chatting with herself. I think I told you guys on Friday that I started buying a bunch of summer clothes for Kennedy, so I'm gonna give you guys a little haul. Some of this I got online, some of this I got in stores, but I'm 99% sure that this is all from Target. Some of these are repeat things, so like this, we already have this pack of onesies, but like I think it's so adorable, especially this one that's got little hedgehogs on it. So this is in size 12 months. What I did is, so Kennedy right now, she's 7 months old, but she's wearing, some places that run 6 to 9, she'll wear that. Some places just run 9 months and that's what she's in. So for summertime, I got a mix of 9 months and 12 months. So I got a pack of onesies there. This is also a repeat one that I just love. This is, what size is this? This is 12 months. So we got the strawberry, we've got the plain pink, and then this is what I call strawberry lemonade, another one of our favorites. These were on sale at Target. I think they still are. They're like jeans, but it's kind of like jean shorts, I guess. I don't know. So I got 2 pairs in 12 months. No, 2 pairs in 9 months, 2 pairs in 12 months, because I feel like these are going to be like what we're living in the summertime with like the short sleeve onesies. Now that we are like surpassing, so Target, I don't know why, but like their Cloud Island and their Carter's just for one collections at Target only go up to like, I think 9 months. But I found these, which are actually like size 12 months, but they are a little bit different. Like the footy and everything, I don't know. So I got some PJs, size 12 months. I also saw this, which was adorable, by Cat and Jack. Y'all know I love fruit. Anything with fruit on it, you know I'm gonna buy it. Oh, and this is just another 3-pack. So this one is actually cheetah, now that I'm looking at it up close. This one's flowers, and then this one is so cute. It's just like a paisley kind of pattern. I got some more stuff in the bag, one sec. I got this little outfit. This is so cute for summer. Like I could totally see her wearing this like down to the beach or something. Here's what we actually went to Target for. I wanted to get another one of these teethers because she really likes it, and Dexter, our dog, keeps stealing it. She likes this book because she loves crinkle books, but she also loves like little teether things on it. So this one, we now have like 3 of these. It's like her favorite. I showed this in my last TikTok, but I got a little romper for 4th of July. I got a little watermelon tank top. They had these little jean shorts, which are a little bit different than the other ones I just showed because these are like actual shorts, not just kind of like a diaper cover up. Again, anything with fruit, you know I'm buying it. So we got this pineapple one. We've got this little watermelon outfit. And last but not least, we got this little popsicle tank top. I figured to go with all the jeans I got. That's all that I've got for right now. I'm sure I'll find more things as the summer gets closer and as it goes on. I'm a new mom, as you guys know, so where are your favorite places to shop for your kids? Bye!